Aha!
Wow, look at that. I wonder what it is. Let's go check it out. Wow, what a beautiful garden. Why don't we take a little break here? Let's at least take some photos before we go. Japan is stricter than I expected, I guess. Oh?
ここを通るな。ここに座るな。ここで撮るな。
Everything is about here, but why are the particles all different?
Today, let's study 3 particles that indicate location. The image of "da" is something like this. "Da" is for the stage. The particle "da" indicates the stage or frame where an action or event takes place. When talking about activities that take place in various locations, you can attach "da" to the word and express it like this.
学校で勉強します。レストランでご飯を食べました。会社で会議があります。東京でオリンピックがありました。
The image of "oh" is something like this. The particle "oh" carries the image of an action passing through a certain place.
橋を渡ります。
道を歩きます。
空を飛びます。
Use the particle "oh" when passing through, whether it's over a long distance or across a specific boundary.
角を曲がります。家を出ます。
電車を降ります。
The image of "ni" is something like this. When used for locations, it looks like this.
机の上に本があります。
あの木の下に犬がいます。大阪に住んでいます。
ni also carries this kind of image.
テーブルに置きます。
椅子に座ります。駅に着きました。に、を。
Both indicate the target or destination of an action. So, what is the difference? Ni hits a target and stays there. O passes through and continues beyond it. Unlike O, which flows through, ni arrives at a point and powers down.
De, o.
Both particles indicate the location where an action occurs. So, what is the difference? De. It's your activity inside a frame. The location is the container for your action. You study, you eat, you work, all safely tucked inside that box. O. This is the flow. It passes through and continues beyond. The space isn't a container, it's a path you're traversing. Choosing the right particle depends on how you perceive the location. Keep these images in mind. Use ni for a point, o for a line, and de for a space. Time for a quiz. Some sentences make sense, and some don't. Can you tell which is which? So there you have it. No more guessing. If this video finally made the difference for you, please smash that like button to let me know, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next grammar breakthrough. See you later.